There's Kylo swimming in the water. And then see, we're at the top of a waterfall. Don't want to get too close. But yeah, there's my brother down there. And yeah, there's his roommate Nathan. Water. Damn, this is where we're swimming. So yeah, this is what we were doing today. It's fucking fun. Kylo, going through the water. Ow, ow, rock. Kylo, say hi.
Hey, what's up, guys?
He's right there. Hey, genius, he's right there. That's probably his. Say hi, Nathan. You're going on YouTube, by the way. Yeah, so this is what we're doing, so yeah, not really funny, but whew. Oh shit, there's 3 of them. Dang, there's 3 waterfalls. There's 3 of them. So yeah, this is what we're doing. Alright, so see you guys later. Comment, watch, subscribe, I guess. And like, I guess. Kylo says he has a mic. So, alright, see you guys later.